It's amazing, but sometimes when I tell you something, I end up being right. I know it's amazing, right? Occasionally, I actually am right. In this instance, we talked about Funko Pop going public, taking their IPO to the marketplace. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. This is a story about failure. Anyways, so Funko Pop thought, we've been selling these Pop vinyl figures for a while. They're doing relatively well. Why don't we try to take this company public, considering we don't have anything else in the roster that actually makes any kind of money, and this is slowly dwindling away as far as a pop culture phenomenon, because it was. They pay a lot of money for licensing from every brand that there is, and they thought, you know what, we've got this one shot, let's try to make it work. They priced the IPO a little too expensive. They had to pull back on the price originally down to $12. Now, $12 is not bad. I mean, we're looking for Funko to try to prove to us that they have something else in the pipeline that's going to be a hit. That's our big concern. We don't need another Mattel, which we're going through right now, that has millions of brands. Well, millions, obviously, but they've got tons of brands. Hasbro as well. Companies like Jakks Pacific having nothing but issues right now. A small toy company that makes a very niche product needs to have more than just one type of product, especially when you put out the kind of money that Funko Pop does for the licenses. So today was the IPO. The celebration started. The balloons fell from the sky and the price ended up being $8. $8. You priced it at 12. Your underwriters got in at 12 with options to buy more. I'm sure they're clamoring to buy more. And we find ourselves at an $8 price point, 33% down from the IPO. And that's what happens when the market says, we don't think you've got the legs to stand on that you want us to believe that you do. There just isn't enough in the holster, brother. So, take a look at my previous video from a few weeks ago. I'll make sure that Anthony, the brains of this operation, links it up below where I explain exactly why I don't think a Funko Pop IPO was a very good idea to begin with. But sometimes a company needs to sound its death knell out in public. They're doing it on a publicly traded floor. Funko Pop better find a way to make some more money, because selling vinyl toys that don't do anything, not going to last much longer. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, notification bell, thumbs up for this video, thumbs up for all videos, and comments. Wherever the comments section falls, we want to hear from you. We love hearing from you. Have yourself a marvelous Thursday.